Rajim. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum to all brother and sister and welcome back to my channel. Bitcoin dropped. Finally, the last it started the retracement, and this time the retracement is very hard, and we can see with the retracement a lot of altcoin drop too. So we have to check in our video what is the current situation of all our trades. So let's start. First of all, we have to look on Bitcoin dominance. Even if Bitcoin dominance is not more so effective, but I still want to check it based on my I want to do analysis on all my videos, because now that is a time where Bitcoin dominance have to go a bit down, because as I said in my last videos, if you have watched, 73,000 was a very key level, because 73,000 was not just a take profit zone, that was a, a end of a wave. And that wave is started from, if we can check this wave was started at 40,000. 40,000, yeah, 38,000 or 40,000, we can calculate it. Now after when it finished that wave, then now we have to check how react the price. Normally it has to retrace a bit from this wave, and it has to print another low and then jump up again. So till where we have this retracement, that we can check now in our video. So let's start. Bitcoin dominance on daily time frame, we are under again our yellow area. So that area is very powerful because as we can see, we try here to break, we try here to break, here we touch, here we break but not retest it, here again we break, here two time we break again, and then a lot of wicks here. So I think it's a time to reverse the trend, because Bitcoin cannot break this area. And if we see on based on Ichimoku, so based on Ichimoku it is in range, but now it's the Chiku span in the behind the candles, and we have here the death cross again. So the last movement cannot help the Bitcoin dominance to go up. So I think Bitcoin dominance going down, even if it goes down a bit, but we have to I think we see a bit dump of Bitcoin dominance. And Bitcoin dominance, what mean dump of Bitcoin dominance? All our altcoins can jump now, the real jump, because the last jump till now, that was just because Bitcoin was going up. Now Bitcoin can give a bit space to all altcoins, that altcoin can make very good jumps. On 4 hour time frame, see on 4 hour time frame, here is a confirmation that we have started the downtrend. See here, we now have the Chiku span that's is under the under the candle. We have death cross, the lines go looking downside, and I see a lot of confirmation here. So with that in mind, now we have to look how our altcoin trades can react on this dump. First of all, Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, many user call already, they have they said, oh no, that's now is downtrend, and now Bitcoin dump to 20k, 10k or something. So yesterday I share on my Telegram group that we have the two reversal points. The first reversal point was on 4 hour time frame. The first reversal point was here on this point 71,100, and the second one 70,300 and something. So that was our reversal point, but 4 hour time frame we have already broke these reversal points. What happened now? Now we have on 4 hour time frame we are almost out of our retracement, but on daily time frame is nothing happened till now, because on daily time frame, as you can see here, we have a big dump and then a half of candle we eat already. And if this candle close the inside our that black area, then we are safe, we are still safe. Even if we close above the first reversal point, that is 68,107, then we are bullish, we are real bullish, not just retracement. This is a bullish signal. But if we break the first reversal point and we break also the critical point, and we close the candle under that line where we have now the end of candle, then then we can see a long-term retracement. The long-term retracement mean we can touch 62,000 too, 62,000, and even we can touch also back on 57,000. That will be a very normal and very healthy retracement. So that's nothing to worry about. That we have to retrace a bit because we are too much up, we are to the moon, and we have to go down to the moon from in Bitcoin. And this is I think the real downtrend what we see now for the first time. Even here in this week we had also already a doji candle with very small body, and I think we made another one, because every 2 weeks we make it. See here, 2 weeks up, 2 weeks and 2 weeks and then down, and so we can make another doji candle here, and then the next week we can go up. So even if Bitcoin don't break that point and goes down, it's still good, because we need a big we need a space on our for our altcoins. So that's very important thing, because altcoin is not doing so good like Bitcoin. So and until now we are 11.12%, and remember, in last dump we reached 14.50%. So that's till now is nothing happened, so don't worry about it. Yes, okay, the first day of dump or second day of dump, all the altcoin dump together, but then they recover, every altcoin recover. Then we have Friday today 4 hour candle that we close, not this one, the second one, the 17 o'clock, this one, that decide the direction, because after that the market is closed. Oftenly after that candle we don't see any real movement till Sunday. And on 4 hour time frame we are still in this blue area. So that's, if we don't break this blue area and we continue printing a wicks here, then we are still okay. Because if we break this area here, yellow area, we close a candle and we retest it, then the price dump, then we can go, as I said before, we can go to 62,000 and we can go even to 57,000. If according to Ichimoku, it's already happened here. See here was also happened here. The Bitcoin was in range, and in this range many of altcoins make a jump. We can have here also a range, this area here, because I see a many candle close in this area. We can do so up and down here, and then jump again. So now check it, what happened with Ethereum Bitcoin. Ethereum performing, still performing uh, not good than Bitcoin. So that's why this chart is, even on 4 hour time frame, is in range, and on daily is also in range. So here we cannot see any movement, but on the Ethereum USDT, see here, that's the power of our group, Telegram group, because I send the signal here, 4064, enter when cross and retest this line. So nothing, even here was not dump of Bitcoin, but the price has not reached across that line here, 4064, and first time and the second time, and then price dump. So even our entry was not confirmed. So that's why I said I look for a very key point on the car chart when I give a signal, and that key point, if is crossed and retest, then the price jump. But if not, that's a very important point. If not, then the price dump, and here the price dump. Now what can do here, we can retest here again that line. So our stop loss, we have to move a bit, because this line we can put here the stop loss on this level here. But in this retracement, we can touch again 3254, and here we can open a trade. If the price reverse from here, then we can open a buy trade on Ethereum. And who missed here the jump of Ethereum can buy here again after we have a confirmation. So this is Ethereum. Now, before I start the altcoins, please don't forget to join our Telegram channel. YouTube, hit the like button. If you have any question, you can ask now just on YouTube videos, under the YouTube videos, because the Telegram channel now for comments is closed. And we have now a new one, the Moon Trading Forecast VIP, where you have to pay, and then you can ask there a question, you can comment my charts and everything, but not more on the free channel. So now start with altcoins. So first of all, the most important thing, what is, you have to put the stop loss on entry. Your entry, where you enter on altcoins, you have to put the stop loss. If we come back drastically hardly, then we hit just our entry level, not a stop loss, because that we don't want to lose. But for example, here is the stop loss is 20.38%, and I don't want to lose 20% of my investment. So that's why I put the stop loss on entry. If price comes and touch that area, no problem, we will open again a trade, but the price can dump more. So that's why we don't risk. We close the trades on break even. So here we are. Here we have ACA. So ACA make a very good jump, touch the second take profit, and that is the reason why I say always in my videos that you, every take profit time, every take profit area, you have to take profit. See here, for example, if now the coin is dumped, but if you follow my strategy, that is, if we have 3 take profit, I divide my capital, what I have invested, in 3 parts. What I do, I take profit here 33%, first take profits 33% here and 34% here, then I have all my trade. So if you follow my strategy, then you have already 2 take profits, and don't worry for the just a 1/3 of your trade. So you are still in profit. And now, if hit stop loss and you exit on the break even, then you still have 2/3 of your 2/3 of your trade is win trade. Just the first part is just a break even. So that's why it is a very very powerful strategy. You have to follow it. Then we have AGI. So AGI does not confirm. See here, does not confirm the entry. So that's why the second trade start from here. I have wallet here, and by the way, we have closed, alhamdulillah, another trade, 97.30% here, last trade. So this will remove, I will remove from a list. Then AGIX, AGIX, and this one. See here, if you follow me in my group, you are in profit. If you follow my charts, then even now the Bitcoin is dumped. See here, we have done. We touch exactly my take profit, last take profit, and then the price dump. Here we have 37.73%. We close this trade, and then exactly from here the price dump down. Now when the price, no, I have to check if there is a possibility to have another trade, but till now I am in profit. I don't worry about if the price is dumped. The next one is alpha. We don't have any trade. Yes, we have a trade. So here the price goes up, but now even it touch the stop loss. But remember the other part of my theory. I said in a lot of my videos that you have, check here, when a price jump 5 to 10% up, then your entry, you have to put the stop loss on entry. So if this price was gone 21% and your stop loss was on entry, now you are on break even. And even now the price is there, you have to close it, because if we see two positive candles, then we can open upper than that level here, then we can open again. But the price leave one candle is closed under the yellow area, and the second one is now confirmed. So that's why I don't remain in this trade. I close this trade and wait till when the price cross and retest this area. Then we have alt outlier. So outlier, nothing. See here, not confirmed, break, not confirmed, down, break, confirmed, but then drop down again. Okay, yeah, that phase was a bit tricky, but when it come back, and when a trade close under the entry level, then you have to exit from this trade, and then the price dump down. Now price can go down till here and then reverse upside. Then we have ape. The ape entry was not confirmed. See here, break but not retested. Now what we can do, we put here our wallet, and we wait the breakout of this level, because till here we have already 89.25%. So we don't want to lose that profit. So that's why I wait till when the price cross this line here. Then we have API 3. API 3, no, that was a very tricky trade, and I think is now it touched this area here. So here I have to do the analysis. So you can see here we started the last trade. Our last trade started from here. What we have done, we take the profit 52.27% on this point here. Then the price goes down. Here the price was tricky many times. It crossed the stop loss and the entry level. So now we wait till when we see any bullish signal or on 4 hour one or daily time frame, then we can look for a trade, but till now nothing. Then we have apt done. See here, before it dumped down, before the price dumped down, it hit our last take profit and exactly there with the wick. So if you set the take profit here, then you have now your profit. But if not, you don't set on that to take profit, then you lose now. Do you lose now? The price goes down, entry level, you exit here, and you have no profit, no gain, no loss. And that was also no. So that's why before you enter in your trade, look at the chart, divide your entries, divide your take profit zone, and do it when you enter, not wait. I will see if the price goes up, then I take it, hold it, and I wait more profit. No, you have to close. See here, I start okay, I have another one here, another take profit. So that's mean 3 take profit, 33 from first entry and second entry. See, we have almost a good profit here, and 1/3 of my trade is now going down to entry level, and I will close here even a break even. Two third of my trade is in profit, 1/3 I can close easily on break even. What that means is, if it is complicated for you, if I open for example with $90 this trade, $90 or $100, 33 I close here, 33 here, and 34 here. That's very simple way. So that's why you are not worried about that. Now your trade, you see here the same story here. The price from here goes to first entry, first take profit. I take profit here 33%, then touch my second take profit, then I take profit here the second part of my trade, and the third part is not gone. If the price close on break even, no problem. Now I have to wait when I see another signal, then I will open again on a trade on ARB. Then we have AR. So AR, there was two entries, the first one and the second one, but I don't the first one, when I enter here in the first one, and the second one was not confirmed, I put the stop loss on break even, and then the price is closed again on break even. So nothing, we have not any entry on it. Now we can put a alert here and we remove it from our list. Then we have Autor. Yes, Autor has done 274%. And if you have here the trailing stop, then you have 308 almost. So what is a trailing stop? The trailing stop is when you put a take profit on trailing. If the price goes down 2 or 3%, then automatically it closes the trade. So it goes up. On third take profit, you can put a trailing stop too. Then we have Aurora. Aurora is still in profit. It jumped a lot. We have here 78% jump up, and then the price goes down. Yeah, we don't have here on the way a take profit, but still the trade is valid. You can now put the stop loss on entry level and wait for it. Then we have AXS. AXS. The same thing here. The price was in range, and now it dropped down. The second entry, I think, hit the stop loss. Okay, I hit the stop loss, and I am out from this trade. Then we have band. Yeah, see here on the band, we take the profit here and on this level. Now we are at least 33% in our wallet. Then price dropped down, goes down, and now I think it can bounce from this take profit from this level here. Then we have, see, second entry. I put the stop loss on break even on my last entry. The second entry was not confirmed, and now I am out from both trades. Then we have beam, reached the first take profit even 53.23%, and now the price is retracing. Now put the stop loss on entry and hold this trade because I think it is still in power and can bounce back. Then we have blur. Blur down on the entry level. We closed it and now is a yellow area. So blur can go down till here 48.63. Don't open the sell trade here to this level because we don't know if we touch here, because in bullish trend the price can reverse anytime. It does not, see here you can open a sell trade, but the price reverse from here, then here reverse, and reverse, and the price can reverse also from this point. So don't trade against the market, that's a very bad thing. Now here BNB does not goes up from the strong resistance. Here I have now an alert. When it crossed this line here, then I will open again a trade, and maybe the price now can goes down till 450. Then we have C98. So C98 reached first take profit. See here, 1/3 of my trade is successful. Then hit the entry level. So I am out from this trade. 2/3 of my trade I close in break even, and 1/3 of my trade I win. With how much? 27% profit. CHR after hitting our take profit now is dumped down, and price can goes down and bounce back from here. So if I see any positive signal here, then I can open again the trade here. So till now we are 86% and 3 take profit, so that's mean 25%. 3/4 of my trade is in profit. I've closed already, and 1/4 of my trade is now with the stop loss on break even. Then we have CKB reached, see, almost reached the take profit. So here he was the 25,500 and then dumped down. Now is on the very important resistance. So if price goes back, then we can open again here a trade. The COQ, that one, yes, don't break the blue area, because the blue area has to break before we open a trade, or even the entry level is at, it has not done. Then we have Koti, nothing, it was up. My stop loss was on break even. The trade is closed with no profit, no loss, and now it's down. Now we wait when we have another signal. See here, crow is on very good move point now. It has retested, so from here we can now open a trade. Stop loss we see later, but the trade we will open here if the price break and retest. See, we have another chance to open another trade on and stop loss we can put here. Stop loss we can put here. See, very easy. CRU under the entry level. So I think all the coins now is on entry level. So on we close on break even. CSIX again on the entry level. So hopefully you closed it. All the coin I think there is a lot of coin now, but all the market is red today because of that first dump of everywhere. I have to do the short video because then a long video I don't think you want to see now, because everybody is now with loss on their trades, and that's why uh, I have to put I have to do the small video. So that's why here we have done two take profit, almost the third one too, and then price dumped. The strategy what is, put all your stop losses on break even, and if hit then wait today evening, today candle close, and then more tomorrow we can open again the trades. I will give you the signals in my Telegram group, so join me on Telegram group. Free or paid is not does not matter. There I will give the signal I give on the both channels, but obviously we have the more detail on VIP channel. On for example, now if the trade is almost in on the way, then the second entry will be just on a VIP, because on free channel I give just the charts and does not discuss on to any assistant, because there was a lot of question and I can't handle so much of questions. So that's why I have made that paid channel. And paid channel is symbolic paid channel, because I have just $5 per month as the entry price, and $50 for per year. So that's just nothing. So join me on all my channels, and here I finished the video because then the video is too long. All the market is red today and remain till today evening. When today daily candle on Bitcoin is closed, then we can see where the market go. So there I will update all my trades and you can ask me. But till now everything is down. Put the stop loss on entry is the just solution what I can give you now. The other is not. I will do another video inshallah on Sunday. So till there, take care and stay happy. Follow the rules, because trading is just rules and psychology, nothing other. You don't have to know a lot of things, just rules and strategy. No future, no margin, because they all no leverage. All they remember, they open even 2 or 3x trades with the margin or leverage trading, they cry now because they have lost most than they have earned the money. So that's why I say always, margin, future and leverage trading in crypto is worse than gambling, because in gambling you have more chances to win, but in crypto no, you lose everything you lose. You see a lot of days you see a lot of profit and then everything goes down in first dump. So that's why don't do leverage, future or margin trading. Just follow on spot. We have enough profits here, 79% in 7 days is a lot of profit on spot trading. So you can earn on spot trading with less stress. So till next video, take care. Pray for me, and we see inshallah in next our video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.